Cardano went parabolic. And if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Subscribe. That's it. That's the message. Just subscribe. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's video, we went absolutely parabolic. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that, of course, we could be looking for a possible retest opportunity here at 28 cents because of the fact that we never really saw that retest opportunity once we broke previous price analysis. You can see Cardano broke that 28 support level and continued pushing lower, and I mentioned we could be looking for a possible local bottom somewhere around the 23 cents and then the continuation, but it would become extremely likely once we broke above this 31-cent resistance. From yesterday's move, you can see that we had this beautiful W formation play out almost perfectly. I was honestly a little surprised at how big of a short squeeze we actually saw. Again, a lot of traders I saw started laddering in a ton of shorting positions here at that 31-cent resistance because of the fact that you can see from previous price analysis, this was the area I was mentioning is going to be very interesting. From previous price analysis, this area acted as a very strong support. So just like it's going to act as a strong support level, it would have acted as a very strong resistance level. Instead, we actually saw Cardano in one 4-hour candlestick break above two very large resistance levels, and we actually tested our major daily resistance here at 34 cents before we finally saw a pullback opportunity. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, being the fact that is it the right time to be looking for a shorting position as of right now? Well, looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see that we do have a beautiful retest on the previous resistance as support, as well as the fact that our exponential moving averages are also being used in terms of a support line. Right now, in order for a pullback, I would be looking for a possible pullback down here to around 28 cents and then a continuation. Now, of course, we can see that RSI is in extreme overbought condition, so I would be trading very carefully here. This wouldn't be a surprise to me, of course, the fact that if we do see another leg to the upside, we have seen this in many other cryptocurrencies as well. When you have a very large explosive move, a lot of traders kind of get caught in between these ranges, and then we see another leg up. A lot of people get confused. Well, what happened here? Well, usually it's because we have so many shorting positions that are opening, the market tends to have one last leg continuation, and that tends to be an even larger move to the upside because of all the shorts that are getting absolutely wrecked in between. What I am looking for, of course, from a bullish case scenario is trying to get above this major resistance here at 34 cents, finding it as support and then a continuation, and then we can safely say the fact that this area at the 23 cents was somewhat of a local bottom opportunity. I have mentioned to you guys this many times that a ton of people were shorting many cryptocurrencies, and Cardano was something that was so heavily shorted because of the fact you can see from previous price analysis, we were using these exponential moving averages as resistance and continuing to push lower and lower. We have been in this situation before though, and I do recall from when I first started making videos on Cardano, if we go over here, you can see from my previous price analysis, once we actually retested that area of resistance here around that 45 cents, we actually saw a massive breakout formation. I can give you guys another example as well. You can see right over here when Cardano actually entered extreme oversold conditions, we saw the same 4-hour candlestick breaking above many resistance levels and then the continuation. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So I'll go ahead and delete these circles for you guys so you can kind of pay attention. When you have a very large move on Cardano with a 4-hour candlestick and then a pullback opportunity, that's usually an opportunity for another leg. You can see exactly that playing out right over here. A lot of people probably thought this was going to be the local top, continued entering those shorting positions, and then we saw the next move. Ideally, what you're looking for, of course, is a strong bearish engulfing candle or a major resistance level to be tested. As of right now, though, on Cardano, the next major resistance level, as you guys know, is going to be around that 39.40 level, if the 34 cent level is broken, of course. Once you see that break opportunity and then the continuation, we can start looking for that continuing for the long. But of course, from a bearish case scenario, if we do end up breaking below this 28 cent support level, ladies and gentlemen, this would be classified as a very large fake out opportunity. Even on the hourly time frames, as of right now, you can see we were in extreme overbought conditions. Now we are retesting this level of support here at 30 cents, but we are using these exponential moving averages as resistance. What I'm waiting for, of course, is a strong break above and that continuation, maybe one last liquidity grab and then the move to the downside. But of course, this would become invalidated if we did end up holding above this crucial resistance point. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.